My name is Joe Marcantonio, one of the teen librarians at the Schaumburg Township District Library, and welcome to another episode of the Quaranteened Cooking Show. Today, we're going to be making chocolate-covered cuties, chocolate-covered oranges. The first thing we're going to do is peel our oranges. So let's set this stuff aside. Cuties are really easy to open. Just put your thumb in the bottom here, pull it apart. There you go. Then we're going to want to split these up into all the different segments, getting these little tendrils, vein things off as you go. Okay, do you have a giant pile of oranges like I do? Hopefully. Now we're going on to our next step, which is going to be melt the chocolate. We only need a quarter cup of chocolate here, and we've got semisweet chips. So semisweet chocolate chips. Here we go. Put them in the microwave at 30 seconds intervals. Stir it up along the way. Alright, check it after 30. Give it a stir. Just starting. Okay, as you guys can see, chocolate is totally melted. Next ingredient is a little bit of coconut oil. We're going to need 1 teaspoon. And the coconut oil will help our chocolate stick and coat to the orange a little better. And it gives it a little bit of coconut flavor, which is delightful. Alright, now we're going to do one of my favorite things in cooking, which is dredging. So you're just going to coat your orange, slice like that, put it on a piece of parchment paper on a baking sheet. So sometimes you coat the whole thing. If you're just making it for yourself, you can lick your fingers. If you're making it for other people, don't let them see you do that. Alright, now I am about out of chocolate and out of space. Now, I'm going to do what's called a pro chef move. Thank you, Vsauce. Take a little bit of flake salt, right? You're just going to sprinkle it on there. It's not going to affect the flavor much. It'll actually bring out the sweetness. A little bit of salt will do that. But what it does is it makes this look so super fancy that people think you actually spent like a long time or that you know what you're doing. So it's a win-win. Put a little flake salt on just about anything and people think it's gourmet. And you and I will not dissuade them of that opinion. Alright, you can even do one of these things. Alright, boom. Now we're going to put these in the fridge for about 20-30 minutes, and I will see you then. And we're back. It's been about 20 minutes, so we're going to go check on those oranges now. there they are, just like I said. See what I'm talking about? A little bit of salt on there makes them look super fancy. Yeah. That's awesome. Alright. Thanks for joining us for another episode of the Quaranteened Cooking Show. And we'll see you next week. Alright? Thanks.